In this video, we're going to talk about a special way to set up your pricing in the FireFly POS system called topping-based pricing. This is used primarily in pizza restaurants where you might charge different amounts based on the total number of toppings on the pizza. So if your menu prices say something like your first 3 toppings are $1 each and your next toppings are 75 cents each, topping-based pricing might be for you. Let me show you how to set it up. Let's look at our pizza toppings category. And we're going to switch this to topping-based pricing and save. Okay, now you'll see that our price matrix is a little bit different. We still have a base price, which is for a build your own pizza, the price that we start with. And then we have our topping matrix. So what we do here is we just say, okay, our first topping adds 50 cents, $1, and $2. Our second topping at 2 toppings, this is basically at a total of 2 toppings, we're going to want to add $1, $2, and $4. And at a total of 3 toppings, $1.50, $3, and $6. This says my first 3 toppings are $1 each on a small, for example. Now, let's say that I'm going to charge less for the next toppings. So instead of going up by $1 each time, we're going to only go up by 75 cents. And this will be $4.50, this will be $5.25, etc. That'll go all the way down up to 10 or more toppings. The way the system calculates the price is it takes the base price, counts the total number of toppings on the pizza, and then goes down to that line. So if I have 5 toppings, I'm going to add $8.99 plus $4.50 to get my final price. Now I can get really clever by setting certain toppings to count as double toppings. So if you have a premium or gourmet topping, you'll count that as maybe 2 toppings right here in that category or on that particular item. Another way that topping-based pricing is often used is in a situation where you have an item that perhaps gives you your first 2 toppings free and then charges from then on. This is common, for example, with a calzone, where we set the topping-based pricing and we would set the base price of our calzone. We're going to set an NA in all of these other sizes because calzones are only available in the calzone size. And then we're going to leave the first 2 toppings as 0 and then start charging per topping after that. Mixing and matching topping-based pricing with item-based pricing can really give you the right powerful tools that you need to get your menu to be priced correctly. It can get rather complicated and confusing though, so if you get stuck, check our help menu under the Screen Guide Index, under Configuration, Pricing Logic. This explains exactly how the pricing is calculated based on the item's pricing situation as topping-based or item-based. Or feel free to contact technical support for assistance.